Ruth Lawrence was extradited from South Africa to face trial in 2023, nearly a decade after the bodies of Anthony Keegan and Eoin O'Connor were found in a lake island in the Midlands. The 46-year-old, who's originally from Clontarf in Dublin but with an address at Patrick's College, Ross, Mount Nugent, County Meath, had pleaded not guilty to murdering Mr Keegan and Mr O'Connor at an unknown location within the state on a date between April 22nd, 2014 and May 26th, 2014, both dates inclusive. The bodies of the two men were found on Loch Inchicup on 26th of May 2014. They'd been shot in the head. The prosecution alleged Miss Lawrence and her then boyfriend murdered the men and disposed of their bodies before leaving the country a few days later. It was argued that Miss Lawrence shot drug dealer Mr O'Connor and worked as a unit with her then boyfriend to kill him and Mr Keegan, with their bodies later found bound in rope, tape and covered in tarpaulin on Inchicup Island on Loch Sheelin. The trial heard that the two protected witnesses, father and daughter Jason and Stacey Symes, came forward to Gardaí in 2014. They gave voluntary statements about the alleged involvement of Miss Lawrence and her then boyfriend, South African national Neville van der Westhuizen, in the murders of the two men. Neville van der Westhuizen is currently serving a 15-year sentence in Westville Prison in Durban. He was convicted in 2020 on 6 counts of kidnapping, attempted murder and murder. An application to extradite Mr van der Westhuizen to Ireland to face trial will take place when he has finished serving his sentence in South Africa.